Hello, it's March 17th, so I thought it'd be the perfect time to talk about the 17% story. Copperweld is 17% more resilient than copper in grounding applications. Grounding, is kind of the fourth phase in the three-phase power system. It's the safety circuit for emergencies, like when the tree falls on the power lines. The grounding conductor is there to carry the electricity safely into the ground by the path of least resistance. But it only works if it's still there. So let's talk about probability. Reliability is the name we give the total probability of success of a conductor over its service life. Reliability is written as R of T. The way we measure R of T is by estimating the inverse, which is the probability of failure, or Q of T. The probability of failure of a grounding conductor takes into account theft, corrosion, loosening, and breaking. Over the service life of a conductor, experts agree that the copper is likely to be stolen about 5% of the time, compared to Copperweld, 0.5%. And that's because a thief may take it once, but since Copperweld has no value to the recycler, the thief won't get paid for it, so he won't take it again. The corrosion benefit of Copperweld is the same as copper. Likelihood of failure, just 1%. And we have many examples of Copperweld lasting 50 years in the harshest conditions to prove it. Connectors using copper are 2% likely to fail from loosening in the field over the expected service life. In comparison, the same connectors actually bite down harder on Copperweld because of the steel core. 1% likely to fail from loosening for Copperweld. Similarly, copper is 5% likely to fail from breaking or being accidentally cut in the field as compared to 1% for Copperweld. Adding it all up, the reliability RFT is 87% for copper as compared to 96.5% for Copperweld. So resiliency is the ratio of Copperweld's reliability as compared to the standard baseline condition for copper. That ratio is 96.5% to 87%, which is 1.17. So that's the math. Copperweld brand CCS was specifically designed to address copper failure caused by theft, corrosion, loosening, and breakage in the field to harden the grounding circuit. Selecting Copperweld adds 17% more resiliency to any grounding application. Happy St. Patrick's Day.